Making swatch cards helped me plan my paper flower projects. Here's how you can do it too. I've recently received these brand new 90 grams Italian crepe papers from my favorite suppliers. We are going to start with this beautiful blue. For me personally, I like to cut the label that comes with the package for reference. To start, take your favorite pairs of scissors and cut the paper out. And also what I'm gonna do is cutting the label and leave it on the side for now. For this next step, have your cardstock and a glue stick ready and basically just cut out a piece of paper from the paper roll. And here, I'm going to trim it a little bit because I know the piece is too big for my card. And I'm gonna measure it to make sure it's a good size. When you're there, you can apply the glue. Here, as I'm sticking the paper into the card, making sure they're secure. This is when the label I cut out earlier come in handy. I usually stick this on the other side of the card just for reference, but you can skip this step if you'd like to. I usually put color number and a type of paper on my cards, and since I have the label in the back, I know which supplier I got this paper from. And here's the fun part. I stored all my swatch cards in this tea box I got off Amazon and sorted them by vendors, type of paper, and color numbers. And this whole stack is gonna be for my 90 grams, so I'm just gonna add my new cards in there. Here's how I use the cards to plan my projects. Instead of have to take all the paper rolls out, I have these swatch cards to match the colors of the flowers I want to make, where I printed them out and here so I can decide which shade do I want to go for. You can also take some notes onto this project planning pad, and now you have a good start to cut more paper and make the flower next. Let me know in the comments if this is useful for you, and please hit subscribe so you won't miss more videos like this. Signing off for now, happy creating. Bye.